I said blood clot. It's on my rip hop.
Of course, I'm not gonna get in without another one. But as you see here, I got another project car or project truck. It's a 95 Chevy S10. Also got it for another good deal. It's about like $1,000 for it. I think it has 160,000 miles. Runs great. Right now, I actually have it jacked up, and I'm working on changing the rear drum pads and assemblies. So as you can tell, this is the passenger side rear, and then around there, actually change these up. Right there. This is the left side. Right now, these are, see, it's really trashed out. These are actually seized on the actual drum itself. I had to whack the living crap. Oh, that is something here to get it off. You see how it's torn? No good. So I'm gonna have to take these off, take all these out. I got some new assembly kits and the pads, so let's go ahead and clean that up. Get some brake cleaner, and get a nice little wire brush, scrub that down, clean that up. Yeah, next project here. I've been priming it up too. Put a bunch of primer on it, sanded it down good. Actually have this interior out right now, so it all guts out. It'll look nasty right now, but once it clean up, it should look a little better. And pulled off the headliner, but yeah. Guys, we have more to come. Front pads are not too bad, so let's see. Not too bad. Pretty clean engine. See, the fluid is darker than the skin right now, so I'm gonna have to change out this. I'm gonna go ahead and drain this out. I get some DOT 3 spec fluid. So we're just gonna drain this out, put some fresh fluid in it, some pads, and it should be good to go on some brakes. But this one comes with, this is the 2.2 liter. So decent, nothing crazy power, but it'll get the job done. Let's change this out there. Looking little by little, like the front off. Front towel, side. Actually come with it. These are Corvette wheels that it came with. Pretty neat. Like early model Corvette. I can't tell what particular year. Maybe 90s Corvette. I could be completely wrong. But yeah, this here, we got the grill. Painted this bad boy up here. I'll show you. Get this down. Got some upgrades coming too. So that's pretty much gonna go inside this. Yeah, so got that. It's there. Oh, of course, next project, little by little. These are the mounts for the lights. Actually, they were kind of rusty, so I just I sand them down, file it down, spray it down, some primer, some light paint, Rust-Oleum. Breaking down any further. yeah. So I actually got it's the third brake light. I got the LED third brake light. I just can't find it. I have to go look for it. But yeah, guys. So staying busy. Got the baby sitting outside. You see that side? So some shit. Some fresh air. Yeah, fresh air. Yeah. But yeah, keep you guys posted on it. Go ahead and knock out these brakes here. I'll catch you in a second. See how they look. I'm gonna take them off. Touch-up paint, nothing crazy. Just used a quarter can of black and a little bit metallic, just kind of freshen it up. What's going on? Alright, so today I'm working on my door panels. You can see I'm painting them right now. Got some stuff in the Alright, I'll put here. Check it out. First coat. Look good so far, so good. the original. So yeah, so step 2 now. I see. Wow. Maybe like 2 coats on this.